Hey, today we are going to talk about My Lead System Pro, setting up your system for generating leads and sales for your business today. Get this stuff done so that you can get it done within the next 24 hours and start generating leads, have more people to talk to sell your products or service to. My name is Brandon with BrandonHemming.com, and we help home-based business owners learn, build, automate, and scale their business so that you can live the lifestyle of your dreams. We do this by leveraging the power of funnels and proven marketing strategies. So we are here on step number 3. If you have not completed step number 1 or number 2, please stop the video, go back to those in this playlist, and check those videos out. Make sure you complete the homework. It is imperative that you do this. It will save you a lot of time and headache in the future, I promise. Just stick with me. And again, if you're at some point and you're ready to roll and go ahead and get started, drop that. There's a link below for the $1 trial for 30 days. Go ahead and check it out. Get some information, get this stuff going, and use this information. Apply it to your business today. Here we are, step number 3, setting up your system for success in generating leads.
Welcome back, and in this video, we're gonna make sure that your MLSP system is set up properly to get leads for your specific business. Let's dive in. So I want you to do this with me. Go ahead and open up a new browser and follow along with me, okay? So once you've opened up a new browser, go to the account tab and go to my profile settings. And we just want to make sure your system is set up because very soon you're going to be doing some marketing and getting leads through our done for you templates to get leads for your business today. So we're just on the profile tab here. Make sure you know your username, your current password, pretty basic stuff here. Make sure you have the right email address, really your best email address in this form right here. So that important.
I want to make sure everyone understands this and you see it. It is under where he's talking about this, the profile settings. If you go to start here, the account setup, and then profile settings, account profile settings.
Notifications, events, and updates actually get to your real inbox. Your phone number and date of birth, and you're good with that one. Coming up to the security tab, we take security extremely seriously. Our CTO used to write bank recovery software, so our stuff is airtight, bulletproof type of security. We highly recommend that you do enable account security here and update your security settings with a PIN, kind of like a two-factor authentication type of thing when you log in to your account to protect your account even further. Privacy, pretty simple stuff here. And this is important. Make sure that you read this. We highly recommend that you do show your information on the system campaign pages, which are your lead generation campaigns and all of the campaigns that we're about to go over inside this start here. If you want to share your contact information with the affiliate that referred you to MLSP, if you want to share your contact information with your referrals, and if you want us to display your name on the affiliate leaderboards, if you do choose to become an affiliate and market the My Lead System Pro system. This privacy, these settings are entirely up to you, but we do encourage you to check all of them because a lot of this has to do with building your brand, building your authority, and all of these things will absolutely help build trust with your prospects. And you'll see where these show up in your campaigns in an upcoming video. Notifications, entirely up to you. We want you to put in your mobile number, and then if you want to receive text messages about updates, founders calls, new programs, if you want an SMS text message when you get a new referral, if you want to receive an email when you generate a lead, when you generate a commission, and when one of your members changes their status, etc., that's personal preference. I would recommend you at least check the box about generating a new lead so that you can connect with your new leads, reach out and start a conversation with them, see if you can help them, if you've got something that can help solve some of their problems. And absolutely, if you want to receive an email when you receive an MLSP commission, i.e. when you make money, I would definitely turn that on. That's kind of fun. Don't worry about API stuff. You'll get to this point eventually, but basically how to get information in and out of MLSP if you're using third-party software and applications. Don't worry about that right now. We do recommend you take a second to just write out a little bit about me. I'm talking about a few words here on your profile title: online business coach, entrepreneur, health enthusiast, health coach, whatever it is. And then on this about me section, we're talking about just a few sentences to share your story, where you were before you found this business or before you started your business, the epiphany you had, and why you got started in whatever business opportunity and whatever products you're promoting. and then what life is like now. Maybe for the what life is like now part, the fact that you just found a community right here to help you learn how to market and leverage the internet to create sales and profits in your business, and you're excited about that. That's it. And then go to the avatar tab. This one is important because we're gonna pull this image of you into your system and onto your websites. Gravatar.com is completely free. Just come here and you'll create an account with your email address and you'll hook up an image that you want to use. Ideally, it's either you smiling, having fun, kind of professional. Just this is what's going to be on your MLSP websites. So however you want to brand and market yourself, you're going to upload that image, and then you're going to come back here to this part, and all you're going to do is insert your email address right here into your system, and then we're going to pull your Gravatar image into your MLSP system. It's completely free. Gravatar.com. Take a second to create that and upload your Gravatar image to your MLSP system. If you have social links already, great, put them in here. If you do not, don't worry about that. Do not go and create a blog, launch a blog, or create a Facebook page or Twitter or anything like that. Just put in what you currently have, and as you grow and move through the system and create new accounts on different platforms, we can update this at a future date. So just put in whatever links you have available, whatever accounts you have right now. And last but not least, your opportunity. If you have a direct sales, network marketing opportunity, if you've got a product service, if you've got your own coaching program, what you want to do is just name whatever that is and then put in a link to that opportunity page, that sales presentation, whatever that is, because we're going to actually promote that for you to your leads and to your members. Part of the value and benefit of being a My Lead System Pro member is that we're going to promote your stuff for you to your leads and to your referrals inside of My Lead System Pro. My friend, you're doing it. Say it with me. I'm getting better and better. You are blitzing through this Start Here section and you are getting better and better. All right, you're doing awesome. Make sure to complete the top burner action items below before moving on to the next video. Once you are complete, let's move on to the next training.
Hey, again, it's here. So the top action items, set up your system, go to the profile settings and check it out and go through that process. One of the awesome things that you can do is in that, if you don't have a network marketing company or something like that, or a private, maybe it's a particular product you sell, or maybe it's just one of the system campaigns that you will see and get access to here. Maybe it's one of the profit courses where you get pure profit minus some of the processing fees. Maybe you just want to send them to that particular product. You can put that there as well. And there's a ton of different ways you can do that. So again, make sure you complete these steps. And if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go ahead and click the link below in this video. It's a $1 trial for 30 days. Just check it out, and then you'll get access, and you'll have all these information. You can come back to these videos here and help walk you through the process. And I'm going to get you through the 10 steps.